Hello, today we will guide you through how to invest in nuclear power on Trading 2 to 12. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find nuclear-related investments on the platform and place an order with confidence. Before you begin, make sure your Trading 212 account is set up, verified, and funded, and that you're using the Invest or ISE mode rather than the CFD mode. This keeps the experience aligned with long-term investing rather than leveraged trading. Start by going to the Trading 212 website or opening the app and signing in. Once you're in, look for the search option, usually at the top of the screen. The search tool is the fastest way to locate specific themes, companies, and funds, so it's the ideal place to begin when you're exploring a sector like nuclear energy. In the search bar, type the word nuclear. You'll see a list of results that may include exchange-traded funds focused on nuclear or uranium, along with companies involved in mining, fuel processing, or reactor technology. Take a moment to check each result's instrument type, ticker, and region, and open the overview to confirm it actually aligns with your nuclear exposure goal. Reviewing the description, key documents, and historical chart can help you understand what you're buying and how it has behaved over time. Remember, different instruments carry different risks, fees, and diversification levels. Follow the on-screen procedure to open the page for the instrument you're interested in. Here you can review price data, basics like market capitalization and volume, and any additional information Trading 212 provides. If everything looks right and you're comfortable moving forward, continue to the order screen. Click Buy. On the order panel, enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares you'd like to purchase. Trading 212 typically supports fractional shares, so you can input a monetary amount that suits your budget. By default, orders are usually set to execute at the market price, which means they'll fill at the best available price when sent. Prices can move, so choose an amount that fits your plan and risk tolerance. Next, select Review Order. Carefully confirm the instrument name, order type, quantity or amount, estimated cost, and any fees or taxes that may apply. When everything looks correct, click. Send order to place it. You should see a confirmation and, if applicable, a status update as the order fills. That's it. You've searched for nuclear-related opportunities, reviewed an instrument, and completed a purchase on Trading 212. Always do your own research and remember that investing involves risk, including potential loss of capital.